The mighty beet, a nutritional powerhouse. Beets, with their vibrant color and earthy flavor, have become increasingly popular in recent years. Beyond their culinary appeal, beets offer a treasure trove of health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, beets are a nutritional powerhouse that can enhance your overall well-being. From boosting heart health to improving athletic performance, the humble beet packs a powerful punch. Whether enjoyed roasted, pickled, or juiced, beets are a versatile addition to any diet. Their natural sweetness pairs well with both savory and sweet flavors, making them a welcome ingredient in countless dishes. So let's delve deeper into the world of beets and discover the remarkable health benefits they offer. A rainbow of benefits. Exploring beetroot's health perks. Beets are an excellent source of essential nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and nitrates. Folate plays a vital role in cell growth and development, ensuring that our bodies can repair and regenerate tissues effectively. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure, which is essential for heart health and overall cardiovascular function. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, supports immune function, helping to protect the body against infections and illnesses. Fiber aids digestion and promotes satiety, ensuring that our digestive system works smoothly and efficiently. Nitrates, found abundantly in beets, are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Beets are naturally low in calories and fat, making them a healthy addition to any weight management plan. They can be enjoyed in various forms, from salads to smoothies. Their fiber content also contributes to feelings of fullness, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating, which is beneficial for maintaining a healthy weight. Whether you're aiming to improve your overall health or simply add more nutrient-rich foods to your diet, beets are an excellent choice. Their versatility in recipes makes them easy to incorporate into your daily meals, providing a delicious and nutritious boost. Blood pressure and beyond. Beets for heart health. Beets are not just a vibrant addition to your plate, they are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your cardiovascular system. One of the most well-documented benefits of beetroot is its ability to lower blood pressure. This is particularly important for those looking to manage hypertension naturally. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound plays a crucial role in maintaining vascular health. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. This can lead to better oxygen delivery throughout the body. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice or cooked beets can significantly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This makes beets a simple yet effective addition to a heart-healthy diet. In addition to lowering blood pressure, beets may also improve other aspects of heart health. They are packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. The fiber in beets can help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Fiber also aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Beets are also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, further aiding in blood pressure control. So, whether you enjoy them roasted, juiced, or in a salad, incorporating beets into your diet can be a delicious way to support your heart health. Antioxidant arsenal fighting free radicals with beets. Beets are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, helping to prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of these diseases. Betalains, the pigments that give beets their vibrant color, are potent antioxidants. Studies have shown that betalains have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against certain types of cancer. By incorporating beets into your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and protect your body from oxidative stress. Section 5. Nitrate power, enhancing athletic performance. Beets have gained popularity among athletes for their potential to enhance athletic performance. The nitrates in beets are converted into nitric oxide, which improves blood flow to muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to increased endurance, reduced fatigue, and improved performance during exercise. Studies have shown that beetroot juice supplementation can improve time to exhaustion during exercise, increase muscle efficiency, and reduce the oxygen cost of exercise. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, incorporating beets into your diet may give you a competitive edge. Section 6. A versatile vegetable from salads to smoothies. One of the best things about beets is their versatility in the kitchen. Beets can be enjoyed raw, cooked, pickled, or juiced, making them a welcome addition to countless dishes. Their earthy flavor pairs well with both savory and sweet ingredients, offering endless culinary possibilities. For a refreshing salad, try combining roasted beets with goat cheese, walnuts, and a balsamic vinaigrette. Beets also add a vibrant hue and earthy flavor to smoothies. Simply blend them with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids for a nutritious and delicious treat. Section 7. Garlic, the aromatic ally. Garlic, a pungent bulb widely used in cuisines worldwide, is renowned for its distinct aroma and flavor. But beyond its culinary appeal, garlic boasts a rich history of medicinal use, dating back thousands of years. Packed with antioxidants and sulfur compounds, garlic offers a wide range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to supporting heart health, garlic is a true culinary and medicinal powerhouse. Its pungent compounds, particularly allicin, are responsible for its numerous health-promoting properties. So the next time you're in the kitchen, don't hesitate to add a generous amount of garlic to your dishes. Flavor fusion, beetroot and garlic, a culinary match. Beetroot and garlic, two culinary powerhouses, complement each other beautifully in both flavor and nutrition. The earthy sweetness of beetroot harmonizes perfectly with the pungent bite of garlic, creating a symphony of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds. This dynamic duo can elevate a wide range of dishes, from simple salads to hearty stews. Roasting beetroot and garlic together brings out their natural sweetness and mellows the garlic's pungency. The high heat caramelizes the sugars in the beetroot, intensifying its flavor, while the garlic cloves become soft and spreadable. This roasted combination can be enjoyed as a side dish, added to salads, or used as a topping for pizzas and sandwiches. Simple beetroot and garlic recipe, a culinary delight. This dish is not only visually stunning with its vibrant colors, but also packed with nutrients and flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized beetroots, peeled and cut into wedges. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and provide a sweet, earthy flavor that pairs perfectly with garlic. 1 head of garlic, cloves separated and peeled, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Garlic adds a robust aromatic quality that enhances the overall taste of the dish. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings bring out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Fresh herbs such as thyme or rosemary, optional. These herbs add an extra layer of flavor and aroma, making the dish even more delightful. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Proper preheating ensures even cooking and perfect caramelization. In a bowl, toss the beetroot wedges and garlic cloves with olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs if using. Make sure each piece is well coated to ensure even roasting. Spread the beetroot and garlic in a single layer on a baking sheet. This allows for even cooking and prevents steaming, which can make the vegetables soggy. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes or until the beetroot is tender and slightly caramelized. The caramelization process brings out the natural sweetness and adds a delightful crunch. Enjoy this simple yet flavorful dish as a side or incorporate it into your favorite recipes. It pairs wonderfully with salads, grains, and proteins. The roasted garlic cloves can be spread on bread or used as a base for dips and sauces. Their rich, mellow flavor adds depth to any dish, making it a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. Embrace the beet. Incorporating beets into your lifestyle. Incorporating beetroot into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. With its versatility and delicious flavor, beetroot can easily become a staple in your kitchen. Start by adding beetroot to your salads, smoothies, or sandwiches. Experiment with different cooking methods, such as roasting, grilling, or pickling. Look for creative ways to incorporate beetroot into your meals and snacks. Beetroot hummus, beetroot chips, and beetroot lattes are just a few examples of the many delicious and innovative ways to enjoy this nutritious vegetable. Embrace the beet and experience its numerous health benefits. Conclusion: beat the odds, live a healthier life. From boosting heart health to enhancing athletic performance, beetroot offers a myriad of health benefits. Its rich nutrient profile, combined with its versatility and delicious flavor, makes it a valuable addition to any diet. So embrace the beet and experience the transformative power of this nutritional powerhouse. By incorporating beetroot into your lifestyle, you can improve your overall health and well-being. So beat the odds, live a healthier life, and enjoy the journey.